So when you would be starting the Agentforce agent for the first time, or in the one of the previous video or next video, when you will see the response journey for the Einstein trust layer, where we have seen how we can do the audit, how we can utilize the audit framework, where you will be trying to utilize some sort of basic prompts for the Agentforce, for the default Agentforce agents. And this is a very common error that usually people get, that something went wrong, refresh the conversation and try again. And if you click on refresh, then again you are going to get the same error. So how to get rid of this error and how to fix this? There are three key steps which we need to follow over here. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the setup while you are on the same org. The first thing that you need to search for is Einstein. So in the quick search box, what you need to do is you need to search for Einstein and then select Einstein setup. This is the very first step that we need to verify, and make sure that you verify that Einstein is turned on properly. The toggle is checked. This is the very first step. If you have not enabled this Einstein, go ahead and turn this toggle on. Once you have turned this toggle on, what you need to do is you need to refresh this page couple of times. The reason you need to refresh this, because there are few settings which gets enabled once you enable this turn on Einstein. Once you have enabled this, what next you need to do is you need to search for Agentforce agents. That is the second step we need to follow. So we need to select Agentforce agents under Agentforce Studio. Then what we need to make sure is, make sure Agentforce agent, the checkbox is checked for the Agentforce, and you are seeing this new agent button. That is the one toggle, and on the same page, the second toggle which you need to enable is the enable Agentforce default agent. This is the second toggle that we need to do. If you are seeing this warning Agentforce default will be retiring soon, please ignore that warning. The third and last step, what you need to do is you need to click on the name of the default agent, which is Agentforce default. Once you click on that, it will open in a new tab where what you need to verify is if this Agentforce agent is active or not. Now you can see here the Agentforce is not active. Click on open in builder. This is going to open the Agentforce builder. What you basically have to do is you have to click on this activate button to activate the agent. Now once your Agentforce is loaded, click on activate button, which might ask you to which might ask for the double confirmation to activate the agent. If it is basically asking that there are some topics which are not available, incomplete or something, ignore and activate your agent. This will basically help you to activate the agent. Once it is activated, go back to sales application or any other application, refresh your page. The Agentforce agent window might automatically open. If not, you can click on basically the Agentforce icon, and you can see here your Agentforce agent is working fine. You can select any of the default options that you have, like list all open opportunities, or you can also write the command like list top 10 accounts. You can try to play around with the prompts. You can try to play around with the commands that you would like to play over here, but that is basically how you can go ahead and you can fix the error, something went wrong, please refresh the screen.